Okay, this is my wet fly leader formula. I refer to this as my wet fly leader formula, or like an emerger formula if you're doing describing it that way. The key is the tagging scenario. That's where I make my most change. So really, I run about an 8.5 foot leader formula butt section. It's tapered, usually around a 3x size, right? And the reason I like to run that 3x is I really want to start with something slightly bigger. The next phase I come into is I tie into that with a blood knot on 4x. That's my main line that I start to come down and work off of. That 4x line, the reason I say 4x is because these tapes, and this is fluorocarbon, so it sinks, but these takes, they're shocking takes. And if I go beyond 4x, you typically find that any fish of size is going to break you off. So then the next thing is I tie in usually the same size tag, and I tie it in with a triple surgeons, okay? And that triple surgeons, typically what you want to do is tie in your tag and you cut off the upper tag and you leave the lower tag, because the lower tag is an extension of the running line, right? Well, I actually do the opposite. I cut the lower line and I leave the upper tag in place. And the reason being is at that knot, that upper tag tends to want to loop up a little bit and outward away from your main running line. And what that allows me to do is keep my fly away from my running line just a hair, just enough to keep it from twisting around that line. Then I have my tag and I have my other fly. It's really dependent on you on how you want to weight those. Some people really like to have a weighted fly on the point to bring that down furthest and have a direct connection to that. Some people like to have a weighted fly on the tag. I run both ways, and it's really dependent on you. The key is when you're running your flies, I like to run two flies. And the element that I enjoy the most is at the end of your drift. Once you put your men in place, you get your drift into your men. I like to let it settle, and I do 2 or 3 lifts and lowers. And those 2 or 3 lifts and lowers at the end of your cast is like a bug emerging. And oftentimes, as you're lifting, maybe even on your third time, boom, there's your take, and you got a fish on. This method of wet fly fishing is something that is extremely valuable when you're stream fishing or creek fishing and you work your way up, but you can't take a path back, or you want to walk the river on your way back. I highly recommend you switch this over to this leader formula, tie on some emerger style flies, start casting and doing your lifts, take a few more steps, do it again, and maybe even hot hole or honey hole your way down. And boy, your chances of picking up 3 or 4 fish on the way back really high. So I wish you a lot of luck out there. If you like the video, subscribe, like, and follow, and we'll talk to you soon.